Hello David, this is everyone. Today I'm going to be making a bushcraft camp knife out of a sword project that I started, and then it got a little weird. The sword was too big, and it didn't turn out quite right. So now I'm going to use the steel from that to make a bushcraft knife. So that's what I'm doing now. Too much work to do to this. I'm just going to make the tang a little bit more, a little better fit to my hand. I'm going to draw the blade out and forge a point and just a set of bevels on it. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now I have it ground, I have the pinholes drilled, so now I'm going to heat treat it. And for that, I'm just using that ammo can there full of vegetable oil, and I'm just going to be preheating the oil to where it's just about too hot to touch. Like, you can touch it, but you couldn't like hold your hand in it. And that's usually about right for vegetable oil. And then we'll go from there. Alright, so I got it out of the heat treatment, and then I ground the bevels back, and then I tempered it. Now, I tempered it to a blue color, and it still skates a file, so I think it's going to be fairly springy, but I know it's still going to hold a good edge. So I'm happy with this. kind of how it looks. It looks like it's soft, but it's actually not. It's still about skating file. So now I'm going to polish this up and put the handle on it. Okay, so I have the handle scales and the 2 pins and the knife. So right now I'm going to glue it up. All right, so I just got it glued up, and now I am just going to wait for it to dry and then go from there. All right, now that the glue is dried, I'm going to rivet out the pins with a hammer, and then I'm going to grind the handle to shape with a file or a belt sander, or probably a combination of both. All right, now that the handle's shaped down, I'm going to polish the blade and then polish the handle and then sharpen it and seal the handle, and it'll be done. All right, so it is polished up, sharpened up. I buffed it, buffed the handle. I need to put some oil on the handle. I'm going to do that afterward. And it is nice and sharp. So, you know, that's a good edge on it, so I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with how it turned out, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.